Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Sanker, owner of Oi Marketing, and I'm going to show you a trick on how to invite people on Facebook for any ads that you boost. Now, I think most people are pretty aware of the fact that once you boost, spend $10 to boost some post you've made, you can then, anyone who's liked or reacted to your post, you can then go and invite them to follow you on your page. I'm going to show you an extra trick using Meta Business Suite where you don't have to click and get carpal tunnel inviting everyone, because I've shown a few examples on mine where I've spent $10 just to boost something, but I've got clients where you boost a post for $200-300 and you get thousands of likes, and you would have to click invite on every single one and you would go crazy. So here is an example of a post I made back on the 16th. I think I boosted it for $10 and it got $10. And it got a total of boom, boom, back down we go. 6 likes. So if you go to your post, you click this, it opens up all the people that have liked your page. And if you were to click invite, they get an invite saying Oi Marketing has invited you to follow their page. And in most cases, they won't follow you. But in some cases, maybe they remember your particular content and decided, hey, okay, sure. The people I sent it to that I boosted it to were small business owners, entrepreneurs, interests in business and things in that regard. So the people that I want to follow are the people that have liked it. So it's good. It's kind of narrowed down the right amount of people that I want. So you can painfully go and invite every single one of these people, or a little trick is using Meta Business Suite. You need a business account. Super easy to set up. You do need to then attach it to your page. But once you're doing, you're gold. You can use this to post, to schedule. It can monitor everything, look at results of the posts that you put up, create stories. Yeah, schedule stories. Cool, right? So it has most of the things you can look at. And just ignore my rejected post. It's because I said something about I think I was talking about a client and the fact that they were supporting women getting into trades, and apparently that's a political view, and Facebook rejected my post of. Anyways, oh well. So if you scroll down until you get to your audience growth section, there is a point where it talks about all the reactions that have happened, and there's a little button that says send invites. So you can click send invites. It will load up everyone. If you recognize this face from the last one there, you can choose all the reactions, because some people who did angry reaction you probably don't want to invite to your page. I can say all the people that liked it, and then it will automatically check them all off and say send invites. And sometimes it gives you an error because perhaps that account was deleted after the fact. I'm not really sure. It happens. But it's now sent them to all those people, and you're good to go. Hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that prevents you from getting carpal tunnel of clicking the invites every single time, because I've done it for a long time. I usually do it on my mobile phone. So if you have any questions about setting up your Meta Business Suite or how to get to this page, feel free to send me a message. You can find me at oimarketing.ca. Thank you.